still have the hiccups?
Yeah. Some of them are fake, but a lot of them are real. Happy girl. You gotta get the hiccups from laughing at me.